Today I'm going to give you my honest review of this 500 watts portable power station. And this was sent to us by GRECELL for the purpose of this review.
Now let's check what's in the box. Right here is the cable storage bag, and this is the multi-language user manual. I highly recommend that you give this a read because it contains complete information about the device, its maintenance, safety, and warranty information. And I believe this is the box of charging cables. There are 3 ways to charge this power station, and you will need these cables, so make sure you don't lose them. First one is the 12-volt car charger cable. You can charge the power station directly from your car's 12-volt outlet using this cable. And the next one is the 100 to 240 volts AC wall plug power adapter. This power adapter lets you charge the power station through a power outlet. And the last option to charge this power station is using this MC47909 connector cable. You will need this cable to connect the solar panel to charge the power station. Please note that the solar panel is not included. And right here is the T500 power station. Let's take a closer look and let me show you why this power station is a must-have household item. So guys, let's get started. We're gonna go around this power station. This one right here is the main power switch. Just give it a normal push to turn it on, and to turn it off, just press and hold until it shuts off. And looking at the LCD display at the center, it's showing us that this power station is running at 51% charge. Right below the power button is the LED light switch. Giving it a normal push will turn on the LED light, and giving it 2 quick push will turn on the SOS mode lighting. And to turn it back to normal LED mode lighting, just give it 1 quick push and push it again to turn it off. And just right below the light button are the DC outlets. This car output outlet can be used to jump your car, and right below are the DC 55 and 25 output outlet, which can be used to charge your laptop or tablets. And to start using it, make sure you press that DC button switch. This power station also offers USB charging. There are 3 USB Type-A ports and 1 USB Type-C port. The USB-C port has a power delivery of 60 watts, and the 3 USB-A ports uses QC3.0 fast charging technology and delivers 18 watts of power. This power station also offers wireless charging. Simply turn on the USB output power and place your mobile device on top to start charging wirelessly. This T500 power station model also has 2 AC output that has AC pure sine wave, which means that the power coming from this power station is clean, smooth, and stable current that is nearly identical to the power that is coming from the utility grid. And to test the AC output power, I plugged in my TV, soundbar, and an electric fan to an extension cord and plug it into one of the AC outlet. Now let's turn on the AC output power. Then I'll turn on the TV, the soundbar, and the electric fan. The power station is completely running on battery. It's not connected to any power source. So right now, TV is on and the soundbar is on. You could probably hear that humming sound that is coming from the power station. That is the fan, and it's trying to regulate its own temperature. And I'm gonna turn on the electric fan, and you can see right there that we have 187 watts of power load that is not fluctuating. I also use this power station to charge the batteries of my power tools. I bring this power station with me when I'm working outside so that I can charge my batteries without having to keep on running inside to swap my batteries. And it's really not a hassle to bring it with me because it's really lightweight and it only weighs 5.8 pounds. The next port on this power station is this photovoltaic input. You use this port to connect a solar panel to charge this power station. And lastly, the DC input. This is the port where you will use all the included charging cables. And now when it comes to the build quality, the exterior of this power station is completely made of plastic. I don't have the specific type of plastic that was used, but this power station feels solid and durable. So no worries of using this for outdoors. The exterior also has rubber protection on all the corners to protect this power station from accidental drops and bumps. And this concealable handle that is firmly attached to the power station is strong and sturdy. And right on the side are dual fans that regulates the internal temperature, so it will perform longer. And you heard this fan in one of my demonstrations where the TV, the fan, and the soundbar is plugged in, that this fan is not very loud. This power station has a built-in NCM lithium-ion battery or nickel cobalt manganese lithium-ion battery. This type of battery has longer cycle life and it can handle more charge and discharge cycle so that you can store and use this power station for a very long time. This also has an excellent built-in battery management system that protects all the devices that you will plug in to this power station. So guys, this is the 500 watts T500 power station from GRECELL. Get yours today. Thanks for watching.